Hey you guys, as I was scrolling through TikTok, I came across a video from Daily Charmy, which was going over how to properly apply chrome or pigment powders. Their suggestion was to put down, after you put down your base color and you cure it, do not put down the pigment powder. You put down a no wipe top coat and then you put down the pigment powder. Now, some things that I noticed with doing it that way is that the pigment powder itself glides on really beautifully, and very easily. There was no problems that I had with putting the pigment powder on the smooth layer than when I put it on the tacky layer. It worked out a whole lot better application wise. So in this video, I did a gold chrome powder and a silver chrome powder, and I showed you both steps. The first step that I used to do, or the first one that I used to do, which was to cure my base coat, and then once it was cured, put the chrome powder on the tacky layer. Now, there's a lot of things that happen with this. Well, not really a lot of things, but things that you kind of don't want to happen, which is it becomes a little grainy and muted. You can't really see anything into it, as you can see right now. It does not look chrome. It looks like powder placed on something sticky. That's what it looks like, in my opinion. And now for the way that Daily Charming said to do it. And it glides on really nicely, like so smooth. And you can automatically tell the difference in the application. This looks exactly like a chromed mirror. It reminds me of I don't know if you guys watch any Asian Chinese historic TV shows, but a lot of their mirrors were actually gold instead of the mirror that we know today, and that's kind of what it looked like to me. I could see my reflection in the polish of the chrome, of the more chrome one, and it just overall had a better look to it. And next, I'm going to do the silver. I did get this pack off Amazon. It came with one gold and one silver, and I believe it was like $6, which is why I got it, because I just really needed some silver chrome powder real quick. And I figured I might as well get another gold one as well. But I love this tutorial on how to do this. I might just go around swatching chrome powders for zero reasons, just so I can look at them. Like, when I tell y'all that stuff really works, I'm so glad that they put that video up, because I would have still been lost in the sauce and it wouldn't have been fair to anybody's nails that I was doing. Now, the problem that I did have with this chrome powder is that, to me, once I put the second top coat on to seal it in, and now that I'm thinking about it, it could be because I did not dust off my layer of chrome powder before putting the top coat on. Like, it was really shiny when I was doing it, and then when I went to put the top coat on, it kind of muted down. So that definitely could be my error. So don't do that part. Always remember, once you put your chrome powder on, to dust off the excess with a brush, with one of your little hand brushes, and you should be good. But all in all, I really like this, and I feel like this could help somebody else.